Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 8th, 2023, I've already solved one puzzle, one regular puzzle, the binary puzzle 12 by 12. So it's time for the Killer Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening, not now, in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, I've told you there are cyber criminals, scammers. They use AI, artificial intelligence, to clone the voice of a family member. So you think it's your son or your dad, and you ask money to transfer or your account. Well, it's not your son, it's not your dad, it's the AI. Yes, that's the news for today. Very clever, the criminals. Alright, Killer Sudoku number 6886. 6886, and we have here two given numbers. 5 in the triple box of 14. That means that those two boxes together should be a 9. 9 plus 5 is 14, equal to 14. We have a given number 6 in the triple box of 17. That means that those two boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. Alright, for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 9. And I'm looking for a big square with one sharing box. This one has one sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. Okay, so this one and that one are interested for me to use. And what you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column, this column is complete, is 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Alright, so let's get started. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, double 9 is 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. In a box of 11, the combination here will be 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Now, this big square, we have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 14 plus 15 is 29. 29 plus 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 29 plus 9 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. This should be a 7. In this triple box of 17, these two boxes together should be a 10. Alright. Now we go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Double 10, 20, plus 15 is 35, 35 plus 7 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Now we have this big square with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 17 plus 8 is 25, plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 14 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. In this triple box of 12, those two boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Okay, and now, let me see which, now it will be difficult. So my next strategy is now to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 3, only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. The box of 16, only one combination, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Okay. The box of 17, only one combination, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. The box of 3, only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Let me mark those. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Box of 16, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. And a box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with two combinations. Well, we have the box of 15. There are two combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. Well, the 7 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 8 and a 7 there. So it should be 9 and a 6. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a box of 7 here and a box of 9 there. Well, I cannot place the one of the missing number here is the number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 7, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 6. The 6 is already used in this big square, so the 1 should be here in one of those two boxes, and these two boxes together should be a 9, so 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8. Let me mark those. And the other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. Let's go to this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. Same for the other box of 10. And I cannot place the 5 in the box of 15, otherwise the combination will be 5 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So it should be in the box of 7. Combination here, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5. Let me mark those. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the last column. So that means that this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1 then, okay. 1, 1. 9, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there in the box of 10. The combination will be 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. And I've told you there are two combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6, the 9 is already used in this big square. So 9 and 6 cannot be possible, so it should be 8 and a 7. 8 and a 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6, okay. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 5 in one of those two boxes in the last column. 5 in the column next. So on that column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. I cannot place the 5 there because these two boxes together should be 10. So I need another 5 here. Double 5 is not allowed. So the only place left for the 5 in this column should be there. In the box of 9, the combination will be 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Now we have a big square with one sharing box. If you count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 13 plus 14 is 27. Plus 10 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. In a box of 9, the combination will be 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay. Let me see. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next down, need to place level. The 6 should be in a box of 13. Combination will be 6 and a 7. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Alright, and now, let me see. 2 and a 1. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. 5 is missing, 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next down, we need to place left for 5. Should be in a box of 6. Combination will be 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2, 3, 9, okay. Here, 3. Let me see. 7, 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column, the only 3 place left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, so the 7 should be in a box of 13. Combination 7 and a 6. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes. In this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes together should be at 10. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Plus 7 is equal to 17. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. Let me mark those. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15, correct? 2 numbers left in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2 and 3. 4 is missing, 4 and 7. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row, last row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. No, we have a 3. 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. I need to wait here. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and the 8. Yeah, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 4 and 8. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. Well, I cannot place the 1 in the box of 9. Here we have another box of 9. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 8. The 8 is already used in this big square. So the 1 should be in a box of 6. Combination will be 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes. And there, 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Double check. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. In a box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, and now, let me see. 8 and 7, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 3, 7 and a 4. 3 and a 4, okay. Well, 2, 3, 8. Come on. 11. 7 and 6. Where is the opening? No 2 here. 2, 2. 2 and 4. 8, 8. 8 here, 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. Well. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 7, 7. Not the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. In the box of 9, the combination will be 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. In the box of 13, the combination here will be 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 7 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 8 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square in front of us, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Well, 3 and 8, 3 and 8, yeah. I cannot fill this yet. But we have a 7 and a 6 here, so we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 6 goes there. Need a 6 here, yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, there are only 3 places left. The 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. So the 6 should be in the box of 11. Combination will be 6 and a 5. 6 and a 5. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. The 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and 8 here, also 4. That means we have 2 missing numbers here. In the second column, 4 and 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 6, so this should be the 4, and that box should be an 8 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. The combination here in the box of 6 should be 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing. 3 is missing, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. 1 box left in this row, middle row for the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. These 2 boxes together should be 11, so 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 1 is equal to 12 in this triple box of 12. Here we have, in this triple box of 20, the 3 and 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. Finish in 19 minutes, alright. I'm pleased with the time because I've told you I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve a killer Sudoku. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in I will see you tonight, in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.